Have you ever looked at an old tree root and thought, what could I make from this? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where we turn natural elements into functional art. In today's video, we are exploring how to transform ordinary tree roots into extraordinary organic planters perfect for adding earthy charm to your home and garden. So grab your favorite plant and imagine it growing in a sculpted root planter that no one else has. Which one of these designs would you try first? Stick around and let's get inspired together. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which planter style you love most. Tree root planters are more than just a gardening solution. They are a powerful fusion of nature's raw beauty and sustainable design. With their twisted forms, intricate textures, and organic character, tree root planters stand out as living sculptures that bring warmth, authenticity, and soul into any indoor or outdoor setting. Each root tells a story of time, weather, and survival, and when repurposed into a planter, it carries that story into your space, giving your plants not just a home, but a deeply expressive vessel. Unlike mass-produced containers, no two tree root planters are ever the same. Their natural curves and imperfections become the very elements that make them so visually compelling. Whether placed in a modern home or a rustic garden, they create a perfect contrast of wild nature against structured space, instantly catching the eye and inviting conversation. One of the most profound aspects of using tree root planters is the emotional connection they foster between the user and the natural world. In an age where most people are disconnected from the sources of their food, furniture, and even their surroundings, bringing in a piece of nature like a root planter reconnects us to the earth. These planters feel grounded, literally. The rich, aged wood shaped by decades underground or on forest floors now rises as a centerpiece that cradles vibrant life once again. From a design standpoint, tree root planters bring texture, depth, and contrast into your decor. Their intricate grain patterns, earthy tones, and sculptural forms break the monotony of flat surfaces and artificial shapes. They work beautifully with a range of aesthetics, whether you're decorating a minimalist space and need a bold, natural focal point, or you're adding more richness to a rustic or bohemian environment. The irregular shapes of the roots allow for creative planting layouts. Succulents, trailing vines, and air plants all find a uniquely fitting home nestled within root crevices. In terms of environmental benefit, using tree roots as planters is a powerful act of upcycling. These roots, which might otherwise be discarded, burned, or left to rot, are given a second life. This helps reduce waste and avoids the need for manufacturing new plastic, ceramic, or concrete pots, which often come with high carbon footprints. By repurposing tree roots into functional art, you're actively contributing to a more sustainable and conscious lifestyle, one that values materials not for their perfection, but for their potential. Loving these earthy planter ideas so far? If you're getting inspired, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us bring more nature-loving content your way. And if you're new here, subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily ideas that blend rustic charm with creative design. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a fresh way to transform natural elements into beautiful home and garden decor. Moreover, many tree root planters are harvested from fallen or naturally uprooted trees, meaning no living trees are harmed in the process. This makes them one of the most ethical and environmentally friendly decor choices available today. Durability is another key advantage. Tree roots, especially those from hardwood species like teak, acacia, or oak, are naturally strong, resistant to decay, and long-lasting. Their natural resistance to pests and their dense structure means they don't rot easily like softer woods might. In many cases, these planters outlast synthetic alternatives, aging gracefully over time and developing a charming patina that only enhances their aesthetic appeal. Tree root planters also encourage artistic expression. Many artisans and hobbyists find joy in turning raw root structures into usable art. Whether you're carving into a root to create a basin for soil, polishing it to bring out its inner glow, or simply letting it be with minimal intervention, the process invites creativity and connection. It allows people to slow down, work with their hands, and appreciate the imperfections that give the wood its character. The functional flexibility of tree root planters is another major benefit. They can serve as tabletop centerpieces, full-standing garden accents, or even be mounted on walls or stumps for dramatic vertical arrangements. Some people use larger roots to create multi-plant installations, while others choose compact designs perfect for herbs or air plants in small apartments. They blend beautifully into landscapes and patios, giving an organic, seamless transition between the built and natural world. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony or a sprawling backyard, there's a tree root planter style that will suit the space and elevate its charm. Emotionally, having a tree root planter around provides a sense of calm and connection. The tactile nature of the wood, the earthy scent, the way it supports life once again, it all creates an ambience of peace and rootedness. In wellness-focused interiors, these natural elements play a vital role in promoting mental clarity, relaxation, and harmony. They speak quietly but powerfully, reminding us that beauty isn't in perfection, but in authenticity and purpose. That old root that once lay buried now sits in the sun, holding life anew. It's a poetic transformation that resonates deeply with those who value both nature and creativity. They celebrate the wild elegance of the natural world while offering practical, long-lasting, and beautiful solutions for plant lovers and home decorators alike. Their advantages span aesthetic, ecological, emotional, and functional dimensions, making them one of the most meaningful choices you can make for your space. Whether used indoors or out, tree root planters help create a harmonious environment that feels alive, grounded, and utterly unique. Thank you for watching. We hope these repurposed tree root planter ideas sparked your imagination and showed you just how beautiful and functional nature can be. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up, leave a comment letting us know your favorite idea, and don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more inspiring content. Let's keep creating beauty from nature, one root at a time.